I still feel you here till the moment I'm gone. You hold me without touch, you keep me without change. Never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love. And I feel your pain. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. So, tell me what's up. Not right now. This one's for lovebirds out there. Anybody interested or sexually attracted to the person they came to the show with tonight? Oh my god, there are so many freaked out, worried looks. Anybody had sex with the person they're standing next to? That's the time when I get worried if I see worried looks. I'm like, what the fuck do you mean we had sex? Anyway, this song's about love, and it's for all you fuckers out there. Power break, come on, crash. To some way out to the dark sky. Can't say I even noticed it was absent. 'Cause I could live by the light in your eyes. I'm on the phone wait for you. We're strong together. The very first words of a lifelong love letter to the world. If I got it all. There was a time when I believed. You told me we now go true, just love's an illusion. Then you found me, now everything changed. And I believe in something. see me switch guitars like a badass? That's another acoustic guitar, but it's not the same acoustic guitar. Are you having fun? I'm so happy. What is this? Is this? Can I give this to you? You can give that to me. Travel with, too. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see it. Thank you so much. Something for you, Missy. Yeah! So sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. I wish I were pretty. I wish I were brave. If I owned this city, and I'd make it behave. If I were fearless, the nights be mushroom, the world would hear this. That's what I wish I'd do, yeah. Our hands could open, skin to golden seas. I grew and old enough to be something else. I'm looking in the skies, finding stars. I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna be enough. Water in my eyes. Crying a million times. I wanna make the rain. Come down, make the rain. Come down, rain. Come down, you got it. Make the rain. Come down, make the rain. Come down, rain. Come down. Tonight. Don't worry, so tight it's safe in here right next to my heart. Now it's shout at the top of the voice that it's gonna let me out. This is not my choice, and I always found it be part of the world too. I just wanna drown in soul and be and just be the rain on me. I'm talking in the sky.